Hello everyone. In today's video we're diving into one of the most exciting electric SUVs on the market, the Lixiang L6. With its stunning design, cutting-edge technology and exceptional performance, this vehicle is set to revolutionize the electric SUV segment. Here's what we'll cover in this video. The sleek and aerodynamic exterior design, the spacious and luxurious interior features, impressive electric motor performance and battery technology, advanced safety features and smart driving assistance systems, and of course, its pricing and the amazing value it offers. Whether you're an EV enthusiast or considering upgrading to an electric SUV, this video is a must-watch. Let's get started and explore why the Lixiang L6 is making waves in the EV world. Lixiang L6, a comprehensive insight into the revolutionary electric SUV. The Lixiang L6 is a groundbreaking electric SUV that blends cutting-edge technology with luxurious comfort. This detailed overview will cover everything you need to know about the Lixiang L6, from its design and features to its performance and pricing. 1. Exterior design and styling. The Lixiang L6 boasts an aerodynamic and contemporary exterior that catches the eye. Modern minimalism, with sharp lines and sleek details, the L6 is as stylish as it is functional. LED lighting. Equipped with advanced LED headlights and taillights, the vehicle ensures enhanced visibility and a distinctive look. Aerodynamic efficiency. The design minimizes air resistance, contributing to extended driving range. Interior and comfort. The interior of the Lixiang L6 is crafted to provide a premium user experience with state-of-the-art features. Spacious and luxurious cabin. High-quality materials and ergonomic seats offer unparalleled comfort even during long journeys. Digital cockpit. A fully digital instrument cluster and a large touchscreen infotainment system make accessing controls seamless. Smart technology. Features like AI-powered voice control, augmented reality navigation, and enhanced connectivity elevate the driving experience. 3. Performance and technical features. Electric powertrain. The Lixiang L6 is powered by a robust electric motor and a high-capacity battery. Acceleration and power. Its quick 0-100 km/h acceleration and impressive torque ensure a thrilling driving experience. Extended range. On a full charge, the L6 offers an exceptional range, eliminating range anxiety for most drivers. Fast charging capability. The vehicle supports rapid charging, making it convenient for long-distance trips. 4. Safety and technology. Advanced driver assistance systems. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision prevention offer top-notch safety. Semi-autonomous driving. The L6 includes semi-autonomous driving capabilities, providing a relaxed driving experience. Smart sensors. Equipped with 360-degree cameras and environmental sensors, parking and tight maneuvers are effortless. 5. Pricing and availability. The Lixiang L6 is priced competitively, making it an attractive choice in the electric SUV market. Affordable luxury. Despite its premium features, the L6 offers great value for money. Incentives and benefits. Government subsidies for EVs and low operating costs make it even more appealing. The Lixiang L6 stands out as an innovative and versatile electric SUV. With its spacious interior, long driving range, and advanced safety features, it caters to families and tech enthusiasts alike. If you're looking for an eco-friendly, powerful, and stylish electric vehicle, the Lixiang L6 deserves a spot on your list. Alright friends, in today's video we took an in-depth look at the Lixiang L6, an impressive electric SUV that truly stands out with its design and technology. With its spacious interior, powerful performance, and advanced safety features, the Lixiang L6 is making waves in the EV world. So how much does a car with so many features cost? Here's the price of the Lixiang L6, $28,000 to $38,000 USD. Considering the features and quality it offers, this is a very competitive and affordable price. If you're thinking about buying an electric SUV, the Lixiang L6 is definitely a model worth considering. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video. Take care.